Alright guys, I'm up in Hendersonville at the skate park. First time. What skate park is this, Wells?
Patton Park.
Patton Park. I'm gonna mess around a little bit and I'm gonna try to drop this big old bowl right here. Right now I'm just gonna hit a few smaller things. I'm gonna run off the stairs here.
Before it gets drained.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a nice little park. It's pretty. Has some unique features. Let's go ahead and get a jump a little bit here. That's cool, got a little air on that. Let's go ahead and jump the gap here. Whew. That was fun. All right. We'll do a little run to run here. Yeah, that's cool. I don't know if I'll be able to drop in here, but I'll try to drop in, see how it goes. All right. Hey, Wells, you hold that while I drop in over here by the stairs. Right over here. Let's see if I can drop this. I'll get another run at it. Go down on the stairs to get a better angle. Or stick it over, just hold it over. Here we go, I'm gonna go right on down it. All right. Whew. There we go. Grab that back from you. Do a couple more little things. All right. So I want to hit this right here. This little S and drop it right down to that ramp. I think I can do that. I can't bunny hop up onto that thing. If I had a lighter unicycle, I would be able to. Let's see here. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it off, get up here, and launch it. Whew. All right, let's see what I can do here. Woo-hoo. There we go. That was a good little launch. I'm talking, good launch. All right, let's hit these stairs right here. All right, let's hit the gap again. Ooh. I hope I didn't lose something. Looks like I might have lost a pin. Let's see what that is. Uh-oh, what are we losing up here? I don't know what that is. I hope it wasn't one of my pins. I may have lost a charging port pin. We'll have to check it out. I don't know. I don't know where that came from. But I hope it's not me. No, it wasn't me. I'm good. Must came from somebody's charger or something. All right. We're gonna drop this pool in a second. I would like to drop that. Looks like it'd be too much of a drop for the rim. I'd rather have a landing ramp. All right, guys. Let's go up here and get in line and see if I can't jump into this hole. See if I can do a little drop in here. All right. I'm gonna try to drop in and get out. That's my goal. Drop in and get out. There we go. Woohoo. All right, I got in. Let's see if I can get out. Oh, not from that angle. Let's try. Whoop, just can't seem to get the speed on it. Let's give that another try. Whoa! Almost made it. That's a real feat right there. Woo. Yeah, man. 50 miles an hour. 150-mile range. All right. I'm going to go with it. I'm done. That's all I'm going to do on that. I'm going to sign off. Peace out, fellas.